Welcome to our exploration of Obadiah, Chapter 1, one of the most intriguing and concise books of the Bible. At first glance, it might seem like just another lost prophecy in the ancient world, but it's much more than that.
Obadiah is a single-chapter book that packs a punch with its message. It's a vision concerning the nation of Edom, a close yet hostile neighbor to Israel. The book of Obadiah kicks off with a powerful punch as it reveals the Edomites' betrayal against their own relatives, the Israelites. This tension sets the scene for a profound warning and reflection. Now, imagine a family feud with consequences beyond imagination. Obadiah portrays God's message about judgment and justice, elements central to the text. The central theme is the downfall of Edom, primarily because of their arrogance and pride, seen in verse 3, which reads, "The pride of your heart has deceived you." Isn't it fascinating how arrogance can lead to downfall? Edom's false sense of security, thinking their dwellings in the high rocks made them untouchable, echoes the timeless truth. Pride often precedes a fall. Obadiah doesn't just dwell on Edom's mistakes. It paints a picture of God's sovereignty. The prophecy moves to something deeper, a greater promise. Verse 15 states, "As you have done, it will be done to you." It's a simple yet profound statement that conveys the principle of reaping what you sow, a theme resonant throughout the Bible and beyond. However, Obadiah provides a glimpse of hope towards the end. Verses 17 to 21 highlight the restoration and deliverance of Jacob's descendants. This promise suggests that despite destruction and despair, redemption is possible. It's a powerful reminder that amidst judgment there is mercy and restoration for those who seek it. In just a single chapter, Obadiah delivers a timeless message of the dangers of pride, the certainty of divine justice, and the hope of eventual redemption. So, what can we take away from Obadiah? The brevity of this scripture doesn't diminish its depth, inviting us all to reflect on our own lives and the choices we make. Could this age-old prophecy have something to say to us today? Dive deep into the layers of this powerful book and let its themes spark reflection in your life.